Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Slime Rancher. I played this game before, not on camera, no. I think you guys can tell. But I've gotten up to 100,000 in I forgot what it's called. I think. What is it called again? Let me see. New bucks. Yeah. Sneaky. My phone fell. Anyways, guys, I got some. I had 1,000 earlier, 1,000 new bucks. Got a garden straight off the bat. Got two max out. Silo, no, I don't know what they're called. I forgot. Let me see. Let me check. Coral. A coral. Corals or corals, or however you pronounce it. And yeah, we're gonna go to till day 6. I'm joking. Maybe day 7 at most. Just wait, or until I get 500 new bucks. Oh, let's check that out. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just need to be refreshed a little bit because I was talking loud enough probably for the camera to pick up. And I read that when I came back, but read that before I talked. Part of it. So this not because we're playing Slime Rancher, let's actually get these guys because I don't want the slime to escape because of it. You know what? These guys are sacrifices. Sacrifice. Bye-bye. Yeah, dot. Okay. Ooh. Let's check this out. I'm glad this is not the chicken guy. That goes chicken. I'm not even that far in the game to know who that is. But I know because I've played before, and that's proof that I have. Give me over here. Give me these. They're mine now. Thanks. Yeah! Now, we'll be rich. Ha, Savannah. Ha, Savannah. Ha, Savannah. I'm saving these guys. If you save the roostos, it's easier. Oh, ooh, wait. Let me just. Yeah. Let me get a hen, and then we should have some stuff to have infinite food for tabby cats and slimes that eat it. Oh! I can't let those guys get eaten. Get over here! Nice shot! Nice shot wasn't a good thing to say for that. It sounded corn. Nice shot. Never gonna give you up. Now we're sweaty. We are sweaty. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Guys, look, I'll make it. I better, if I don't make it, if I make it, you have to subscribe. Oh, man. Oh, you have to subscribe. Wait, if I make this one, you have to like, too. Oh, man. If I don't make this one, you get to unsubscribe. Wait. Man, why am I taking damage? I wonder why. Oh, I died. Yeah, I won't wake up to a mob of unruly slimes. Corrupt. Stupid. You stupid. Peter Griffin mode activate, you stupid. Yo, bro, be chill. These guys need more because there's more of them for one. Wait, guys. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. We're gaming. We're gamers, right, guys? We're gamers. Yo, get over there. Don't murder me. Wait, if I make all these, you have to subscribe. I made all of them. Ha 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 ha. Well, I'm gonna end it now. Bye, guys.